Hi guys, welcome back to the home and homestead. Today I'm over at my parents' house and we'll be going through their spice cabinet. I'll be organizing their spices and making a spice inventory as well. It's supposed to be kind of a rainy day today and my mom has quite a few spices, and the other day they were over and I had just done this to our spice cabinet and we thought it would be nice to do this for theirs. So first what we'll do is take everything out and jot down what spices we have, and then we'll kind of combine and go through some. If some are kind of older, we'll get rid of them. Also purchased some mini ball jars from Target. I found Target to have the best price for these mini ball jars, at least in our area, and they had a number of them in stock. So what I will do is provide in the description box below a link to these ball mini jars. They're 4 ounces each for Target. I'll also provide an Amazon link if you do not have a Target that's local or they happen to be out of stock, so you can pick these up if you're interested in these mini ball 4-ounce jars. So let's get everything out of the spice cabinet and start sorting through them. Okay, so here is the finished organized spice cabinet, and we actually have a whole top shelf here that's empty so that now my mom can store other things up there. And the second shelf here we have overflow and refill items. These are empty of the spice jars. Here we have baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, those type of things, and a vegetable soup base that my mom purchases in bulk. And then we have on the single layer Lazy Susan some of the larger containers of spices, and then this little pull out clear container with the handle are envelope spices. This is a nice area to expand things to quick grab that she uses. And in this clear handled container we have baking spices and extracts. This double layer Lazy Susan we have all herbs and spices, and on this one we have mixed blends and dips and things like that. This is a double stick of butter container and salt, pepper to the back. So hopefully this will be nice and easy to access and see what spices that they have. I'll also be doing a spice inventory sheet with tables, and I'll put that on the door and I'll show you what that looks like when we're finished. So now I'll work on an inventory. It's good to have that. I found if you can see what you have on hand, then you're not maybe buying another bottle of mustard seed or another bottle of ground garlic and you already had it on hand. It helps to prevent some of that waste and buying things you don't need necessarily, so your spices stay fresh. All right, I'll move on to making this spice inventory. All right, so here's the spice cabinet all finished and organized. We have the inventory sheet here, which we laminated and put on a little command hook. So I'll link all the materials that I used today for this organizational project. You can check them out for yourself. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.